In our previous video, we adjusted the scaling on our fuel table to show the correct PSIG for what we're running for boost and the correct RPM, since we're only planning on ever taking the vehicle maybe to 5,000 or 6,000 RPM. Now we're going to want to adjust this in our Spark table as well, and we do that by clicking on the Spark ICF. And as you can see, right now it still has the higher boost numbers in here, and it's not set to the correct resolution that we want it to be. So if we hit copy fuel axes, it will now update it. And you can see now that we have the same resolution with it maxing out at 6,000 RPM and the correct at 30 pounds of boost. And it actually has our zero, or atmosphere pressure at sea level, right here. So we'll want to go through and adjust it because we definitely don't want to run 36 degrees of timing at 19 pounds of boost at 2,000 RPM. So just remember, you got to make these adjustments when you change the resolution on the table.